Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Jay Johnson with windowpurchase.com. If you're finding me on YouTube for the first time, you can go directly to windowpurchase.com where you can see over 200 educational videos I've put up. You can also see information on the 3 books I've written since 2001, and also have a consulting page. So if you need consulting beyond the videos, beyond the books, give me a call and let's see what I can help you with. Anyway, the video I want to do today has to do with seal failure, but the title is actually going to be edge deletion. What is edge deletion? So let's look at this a little closer. I'm going to show you a picture here. This is seal failure. Seal failure happens for a variety of reasons. That's also seal failure on a patio door. And the words we're looking at here is edge deletion. Okay? And exactly what that is when you have what's called an IGU, an insulated glass unit. It's usually double pane or triple pane. It can be quad pane, but most of the time it's double or triple. And there's silver coatings on the inside of that glass. I'm not going to get into all what that does, but they make them more energy efficient. It makes it harder for the heat to travel back and forth through the glass. And then in between the glass panes, you usually have a gas, and it's usually argon gas. So the trick is to keep the gas in between the panes of glass as long as possible. And the problem is when the sealants fail for a variety of reasons, the gas leaks out, the air moves in, then it starts to look like these pictures you just saw because the silver oxide coatings start to break down on the glass. Now you need glass replacement. With some companies, you got to replace sometimes the whole window or the whole sash. It just depends on who you bought from and how they design their windows. So what edge deletion is, if you can picture this, let's take this iPad here and let's make an inch on the top, inch on the side, inch on the bottom, and inch up here. And I'm just using inch for reference. It could be a little more, it could be a little less. And if I'm going to put silver on this whole surface, if I have silver going to the edge and then I'm putting a spacer on it with the sealant, it's not going to adhere that well, because what I need to do is I need to grind these edges with a special machine, and I need to get that silver off of the glass around the edges so that the sealant makes the best bond possible to the glass. That's what's called edge deletion. And I'm going to read you here the advantages of it. Bonding of sealants to glass, not to the coating, like I just said. Reduction of the potential for coating corrosion, because if that silver goes all the way out to the edges, that's how the process starts of oxidation and starts to break down. You want all of that silver oxide coating to be within that edge deletion and within the sealants. It should not carry out through. Reduction of the potential for delamination of the Lowy coating, and reduction in the potential for seal integrity compromise. Again, I'll put a link up on my page with the full article. You can go and read it if you want to have a better understanding of it. So, does it mean all companies do this? No. But these are one of the things where when salespeople come in, they're not really coming in to educate you most of the time, in my opinion. Some of them do, very few. But most of them, remember, they're coming in to sell something. They're not going to get into this stuff because they'll think, well, you're stupid. You're not going to understand it. Well, I guess if everybody's stupid, then I guess over 200 videos I put up, nobody's understanding. So, I don't know. I put this stuff up to help people. It's really not rocket science, but it is based on science. And it's really not that hard to comprehend once somebody explains it so that you can understand it. Anyway, that's what edge deletion is. That's what it's for. In the end, edge deletion is for the prevention or putting off further into the future the insulated glass unit possibly having seal failure. Anyway, I'm Jay Johnson, windowpurchase.com. Thank you so much. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe.